Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. And in this problem, we will learn how to call functions. How to call functions. How to call functions. For example, so I hope you understand the problem statement. So we have to take two user inputs, and we have to call the sum function and our result of sum should be printed on the output. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Like we have to take two user inputs, for example, x and y. So we have to pass x and y to the sum function, and the sum function should do the action addition. So it should return addition. So how can we do it? So let us write the program. Import java dot util dot star scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int x is equal to sc dot next int y is equal to sc dot next int. So we have to print. So we have to print sum of x plus. So we have to pass the x and y, right? We have to pass the x and y to the sum function. So it is a sum function. So it is the sum function. So where you can call the sum function? So here you have to write, yeah, not here, above the main function. You can write another function, public static void. So it should return the integer, right? Should return the integer. So that's why I'm writing the int. That's why I'm writing the int. So for example, it should return double. I have to write double. If it returns float, I have to write float. That's it. So I want the sum result. For example, if you take 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is an integer. So I'm returning a integer. I want integer. So what is the function name? Sum. So I will take x, y. So I'm passing x and y, right? So whatever the user values x and y I will give, and it will pass to the sum variable, and it will come here. It will come here, and it will return x plus y. So whenever I call this function, it will come here variables, and it will do x plus y, and it will return to this for some function, and here it will print. So I hope you understand the problem. Nothing, friends. So I have passed the sum function. So this sum function, and I have passed the x and y values. Whatever the x and values I will give, I passed here. So these values will come here, 5 and 6. So what will this function do? It will add x plus y, and it will give it, and again it will give to the sum variable, and it will come here, and total sum will be printed in this 18th line. Let us run this problem. So we have to write some column. For example, I have given 4. So what is output? 8. See, 8 is the output. 8 is the output. For example, 8, 8. So what would be the output? 16. So 16 is the output. 16 is the output. How am I doing? I am simply passing a sum function. I am printing the sum function. How I'm passing some function? I'm passing 8 x and y values I'm giving, right? So I'm passing here. This 8 and 8 coming here. So this is a sum function, right? So 8 and 8 is coming here. It is doing 8 plus 8, 16. So this 16 is returning to the sum function, and this sum function is getting back the result value, and this statement is printing for the final value. So I hope you understand. So if you don't understand, please comment in the chat. I will explain to you in the chat. So that's it, friends. This is the simple function program, how to add two variables by using user input, using function. So if you find this video helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.